Hi everyone, this video is going to talk about the Explore button that's located on the bottom right of Google Docs Sheets and Slides. It's an awesome tool to help you as a teacher and a student in the classroom to assist within these applications. And I'm going to give you a few examples on how you could use it. However, there's tremendous amount of ways that you can incorporate it into the classroom. So when I am writing a paper and I click on the Explore button, it is going to scan your document for additional topics that you could search for online, images that you could insert within your document, and additional research of text that you could paraphrase and add as a bibliography within your document or as a footnote as well. So right now, it scans some documents here. So if I was to click on more, I should be able to even search for additional images that are related to this topic, which is nice because as a teacher, if you handed something out, this gives our students focus on specific items that will bring a more visual image of what they're learning. But on top of that, it gives them the ability to add images within their documents themselves. On top of that, say they're looking for more related topics or research that's on their topic of, say for instance, this is plate tectonics. If I was to click on that little plus button, it will insert not only that text, but it'll also note the footnote there that gives you and your teachers the ability, I'm sorry, you as a teacher and your students the ability to show the cited source, not only to click on it to determine where you received it from, but also even the date on when you received it in your document. On top of that, you could even search for different items. So if I was even searching for plate tech, right, and I don't even need to know how to spell something, it would actually bring up those items that it'll finish in autocorrect for me. I could find more web results, obviously images, and if I had documents in my drive on plate tectonics, it would show up as well there, which is pretty nice. All right, so moving on to another item, I'm going to go to my Google Sheets. Now I have a list of data here, and there's a lot of data I want to look at. But what's nice is actually as we collect data, a lot of times we could insert charts to a bunch of items here. But on top, what's nice about the Explore button in Google Sheets is that when I click on any column or even the whole spreadsheet, and I click on Explore, it's now going to give us a lot of different information. But what's nice here is that as a teacher, we look at a tremendous amount of data, but sometimes we need to look at data to determine what we're doing and what our students are researching about. And what's nice here is that I could even select any column or the whole entire workbook and I could actually get that realistic data. And if I wanted to take that chart that it's generating for me and even insert it into my project here, I can. So that's another way that you could just explore. And one last one is slides. Now I'm leaving this open just for a moment here because I want to be able to show you that we could create a slide right away at the beginning, and you could even go to the template gallery, which is part of any one of Google Docs sheets and slides. And if I click on a template from our template gallery that's here, it will automatically generate it for me and I can start working on it. But I already had one that was in my slides. So as I'm working on any sort of slide in Google Slides, I also still have that Explore button here. Now this way I'm demonstrating to you is that when I click on it, yeah, I can search and explore just like we learned earlier in Docs, but on top of that, it modifies how it looks. So it kind of gives you some change how visually your presentation looks. So a lot of times as the students will work on something, they may have not used a template, but a lot of times the Explore button will pop open and it'll allow you to change how the slides change the overall design, the visual capacity of your presentation. So those are just a few examples on how you can use um, the Explore button in all three applications, and we'll learn more about it this year.